Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Very easy to do. It's got a handle on either side. I'm going to take the passenger side, and look here, I can take this down using only my index finger. Very simple. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate these ramps with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than most side entries, so it gives you more room. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base where the ramp sets. Has 8 tie-down points. You can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. These are actually longer than the Siennas and the Caravans, so if you're going to hold 2 chairs or a gurney or stretcher, maybe these Pacificas are the answer. They've got about almost a foot longer of room than the other two, so a lot more room in here. Those chairs in the middle are about 25.5 inches apart. They'll fit most chairs. Will go up in between those. If you need more room, we could always remove a seat. Let us know the configurations and what you need, and we'll make a van to help accommodate that. Got the rear air. The dash looks great. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control, nice center console, tons of cup holders. It looks great, and we do give a free set of pull-tight, Q-strength tie-downs away with each van. And we've got everybody secure. Come back out. Look, 1 finger. That's all it takes. Latch it back up. Such a nice alternative over those extremely expensive electric ramps and doors. So, do a quick walk around to the van. It's very clean. Got the tinted windows in the rear. We just put brand new Uniroyal tires on this. 4 brand new Uniroyal. I didn't go with some cheap brand. I went with a high-end brand. I'm not trying to short you. And you ask, why would you put brand new tires on a vehicle with 24,000 miles on it? Well, at auction, when we have these things shipped, sometimes tires get stolen off them. Yes, people will take the tires off, put old junk tires on. So when this arrived to us, someone pulled the old dipsy do on us and stole our tires. So my loss is your gain. 4 brand new Uniroyal tires on it. Very clean body. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's very clean. It's been well kept. A few small scratches on it here and there, but I don't see any signs of any dents or anything like that. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession. We're not pulling some internet scam, which a lot of people do. Always make sure you get a video of this VIN number. And speaking of that VIN number, come to our website, www.mobility316.com. You can see pictures, you can see these videos, you can apply for financing. You can also click Show Me the Carfax. We provide a free Carfax with each vehicle. Now this particular van, 2018, shows accident reported. I'll show you that. 2 owners. As I scroll down, everything is green. This is what we want. There's no total loss, so this is not a rebuilder or salvage. There's no structural damage, so there was no frame damage. There's no airbags deployed. Okay, so that tells me this thing was in a fender bender. Maybe it had to have, a bumper replaced or some metal replaced, but there was no. The bones are still good, and that's why I bought this van. I don't buy vans with structural damage. I don't buy vans generally with airbags deployed. So this was just a bump in the road. It shows right there, damage to the front. Someone rear-ended somebody. And most airbags will go off at like 5 to 10 miles an hour. So that tells you how minor this damage most likely was. Shows lots of oil changes, over the time. So this is, exactly what I'm looking for. As far as, I don't mind a small accident with a bumper replaced or a hood or something like that at a low speed. That doesn't scare me when buying a vehicle. I just don't want things that have been rebuilt. I don't want salvaged vehicles. I don't want floods. I don't really want airbags either. So we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting with these Carfaxes and our videos. Alright, as far as the interior, it's got these cloth seats, got this nice stitching inside. Everything in here is manual. This is the base model. So this does not have power doors. It does have power windows, power locks. All these doors are manual, less to go wrong. These nice jump seats in here. These vinyl jump seats. Everything looks good. It does have the 1 key here. If you want another key made on your dime, they're generally about $199. Talk to me about those. You can see the current miles, 24,135. It has a push button start. So this key can be in your pocket. It can be in your purse, wherever you like. You can hop in and just start it right up. It does have that backup camera that I mentioned, a great safety feature to have. Also has the lane departure, which I'll show you when we get on the highway. We've also tested all the power windows, power locks, power doors. I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. We push every button, we touch everything big and small. We let you know exactly what you're getting. This is not some van that shows up with shipping or you come look at it and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. That is not how I do business. I am too busy selling vans to sit here and try and talk someone, get someone here being dishonest or not showing them the full story and then sit here and beg them to buy the van. I'm too busy selling vans to do that. Underneath the hood, it's got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage. And I checked this van over very closely, checked all the body lines, everything looks good. I don't see any signs of any accidents, and like I said, just a bumper, you know, got replaced, maybe some headlights, but this was not a major accident. So everything looks good underneath here. Has that California emission sticker as well. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. No bent metal, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any abnormal rust or anything like that. You know, and you'll notice our competition rarely, if ever, shows the undercarriage of the vehicle. Look at their pictures. Go look at them right now. You'll notice they don't show the underside at all. There's a reason behind that. A, they're too lazy to get on their hands and knees to take pictures. B, a lot of them buy these vans from New York, Chicago, that's all rusted out. Look how clean this is. And they pay less for them, but they sell them to you for more than I'm selling them to you for. You know, and they don't want to show you the undercarriage because of the rust buckets. That's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesperson was nice to them. They assume because it's low miles. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume that it's not all rusted out underneath. And 80–90% of the time, nothing could be further from the truth. Do your due diligence. Demand a detailed video like this. If someone's going to ask you to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 and they won't get off their behind to get out and make you a video, then who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? If you do end up buying from someone and you don't get a video and you end up, you know, getting a lemon, you really only have yourself to blame. Demand it. All right, final portion of the video. I would like to get the vehicles out on a test drive. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, you know we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. Popped up to 70 miles, 72 miles an hour there. I'm going to back it off a little bit. Steering wheel is nice and straight. Cruise control works. Everything on this van seems to work just exactly as it should. The steering wheel is nice and straight, like I said. Drives very nice down the highway. With all that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. It still meets the specs for the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. We do sell very affordable extended warranties with every used vehicle, and I strongly recommend one. I cannot promise what these vehicles are going to do tomorrow, but I'm showing you what they're doing today. That's why we make these videos. But you know, protect your investment, folks. I don't care what you're buying. Warranties are very affordable, so talk to us about those. Also, I know there's a lot of dealers and a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, on eBay, we have over 750 transactions. Everybody left us positive feedback. That's 750 plus people that said we did them right, and 0 people said we did them wrong. Last I saw on Google reviews, we had 4.7 out of 5 stars, very good ratings. We're out making these videos. We're providing a Carfax. Nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes as far as we do to show exactly what you're getting. So, you know, I know it's a dangerous world out there in the used car business. There's a lot of shysters. You better beware. You better know what you're doing. I'm going to give it a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. If you'd like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to call one of those big VMI companies. I want you to call Mobility Works. I want you to call one of those big companies and say, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Because I've got Jeremiah's phone number over at Affordable Mobility Solutions. He's the owner. If I need to get in touch with him, if there's a problem, I don't have to talk to 5 different people. I don't have to be put on hold, end up in someone's voicemail box and never get a call back. I can reach out to the owner. So do you want to do big business with one of those big businesses where you're just a number, or do you want to do business with a small business that's actually going to take you serious if there's ever an issue, or if you just need to have a question about something. Keep in mind also, when you talk to the competition, you're going to be talking to a used car salesman. They're probably not going to be working there in 2 or 3 months, probably be out chasing that commission check, moving on. I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I care about your repeat business. I care about getting you the truth. I care about more than just selling you a vehicle. I care about seeing you again and taking care of you and giving you the God's honest truth. So that's the difference in doing business with me and doing business with a used car salesman. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give him a call. If you want to do business with the owner, give me a call. Keep in mind, see our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We've got detailed videos, pictures, and Carfax reports on all of our vehicles on our website. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can take one over the phone, or we can send one to your email. So let us know how we can help. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.